Well, hey y'all, I opened up my phone the other morning and the very first thing I saw when I went to my Google News was 2-ingredient peanut butter fudge. And I've seen it at all different places on the TikTok in different places, but I'm gonna make it so you don't have to. So if it doesn't work, you have saved yourself some time. So here's what it is. 2 ingredients, peanut butter fudge. You'll need 18 ounces of smooth peanut butter, and I have this big, what is this, 40 ounce. And so I did weigh out 18 ounces because I wanted to do this right and I didn't want to buy another jug of peanut butter. And the other thing is a can of frosting. And they say, you know how those day people are, don't they know everything? Anyway, so you just put your frosting in your bowl, and I've got this bowl with peanut butter in it. Ah! See, peanut butter. So, all right, let's just get this out of here. If it was warmer, it would come out better, but we're gonna melt this in the microwave. Now, every microwave is different. This one is, it's a lot stronger than the one at home, so, you know, you gotta keep your eye on it, and you gotta know your machinery, don't you? Absolutely. Okay, and if this works, I'll put it in my next cookbook. Can you believe I'm gonna say next cookbook? What am I thinking? I'm having a big time. Such a big time. And I will put the links to my cookbook and my e-cookbook in the comments. So look for that. All right, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and stir it, and then we'll get back together. Okay, 30 seconds, here we are. So now I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and I'm gonna blend this up till it's completely smooth. It shouldn't take long because it's nice and warm. And I sure hope this works, because I hate to waste that peanut butter. If it doesn't work, we will figure out something else to do with it. It would probably bake a really good layer if you're making like a chocolate cake or some kind of a yellow cake or whatever, as a stack cake to put in the middle layer. Okay, let's see what we think. Let me move y'all out of the way. Y'all are in the way. Okay. Okay, it mixed up pretty good. One of these things I love about these glass bowls and this Pampered Chef bowl, you can get it where you can see it. You can see if you got it all mixed up. So a big fan of that. All right, so far so good, y'all. All right, so now I just have an 8x8 brownie pan, and I've just put some parchment paper in it, so it'll come out better. So let's just put this in here. And they say, again, those day people, I don't know, to store it in the refrigerator. So that's what we're gonna do. I can get it out of here. It's pretty thick. Well, yeah, like everything in it was thick, Your Honor. So let's just get this out of here. And we want to get every bit of it, don't we? Absolutely. Okay, that looks about like all of it. Okay, let's smush this around. I'm gonna have to have some help over here, y'all. Smush this around. Get it all in those corners. It smells amazing. It really does. So far, so good. Okay. That's pushed around on this side. And I'm gonna put it in the ice box for a couple hours. And then we'll get back together and we'll get us a taste. And then we'll know if this is a keeper or not. So I'll see y'all back then. It has been 2 hours and 2 minutes. So let's just see if we think 2 hours and 2 minutes is enough time. Drum roll, please. So far, so good. Very soft. I think you could go just gonna cut another one. I think it can go another hour in there. But here's what we're gonna do. Because we wanna know if it's good or not. See what we think. I think it needs to sit up longer. No? Honest to Pete, I hope this works. Because this is divine. Oh my word, this is a cup of coffee. And I could get some work done around here, couldn't I? Okay, we'll put this back in the freezer. Not freezer, in the icebox. And we'll see what happens in 3 hours. If there's any left. I'll see you back. True confession, I put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So now we're gonna see what's going on. I was thinking I wanted some of this. So let's just take this out again. And so we have learned that you do want to keep this refrigerated. So let's just see how it slices this time. Yeah, it's more firm. Absolutely is. There. All right, let's get us a little, just a little bite. This is going to be richer than you know what. Okay. Yes. If you love creamy fudge, you will love this. This is a winter chicken dinner. And I'll put this in my next cookbook when maybe 14 years before that comes out, y'all. But I'll put a link to this one in the comments. And you can go to my website and order it. Or you can send a check to the address that'll be there. Or if you want an ebook, you can go to Amazon and just type in Kimmy Southern Cooking and the ebook will pop up right there in front of you. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to cut this up, put it back in the refrigerator to keep me out of it. So, I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.